Okay, next box is coming from, let me see. Okay, so here. This one is coming from Patsy Presley. Melissa and Luda, I really enjoy your vlogs. You are a beautiful family. May you, Tyler, and Baby D continue to be blessed. Oh, thank you, my dear. And Patsy also sent some gifts for Tyler that you guys may or may not see in previous vlog. Okay, this gift is one of the first things that came off our registry. She was one of the first persons to order from our registry. And this is a diaper bag. This diaper bag has been my dream diaper bag ever since I became pregnant. This has been a dream diaper bag for me. I'll tell you why. I saw it circulating on the internet and I'm like, geez, this bag is so cool. I need to get me one. It have so many sections on the inside. It have spaces for bottle, and it have like this silver lining, like if something spill you can easily wipe it out. It have space for the wipes in here. It have pocket on the side. It has space on the back, and it's actually like a knapsack. You can carry it by your back, or you can carry it like a bag. And when it's open, look at all this space on the inside. It's huge. And on the inside comes with a changing mat, so if you're out you can use that. It comes with these straps to attach to the stroller, and it also comes with a diaper case, which I think is super cool. So thank you for my dream diaper bag. And it's strong. The material feels so good. Very strong. This one comes from Irene Tyler, and Irene sent me a bunch of bibs that was on the registry. Let me see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at them. Aren't they cute? With different patterns. You have best friend on this one, different pattern. Sheep on this one, rabbit. It says baby's fourth. I guess these are USA things, but anyway, they're coming from Amazon UK. Mommy little butterfly, daddy's little girl. I love these. Give these to Papa, please. Okay, this one is coming from Stacy Garden, and this one says, enjoy your gift. Congratulations on baby D. May God continue to bless your beautiful family. Love you guys. We love you too, Stacy. And Stacy actually sent us a congratulatory gift card from Amazon with 30 euros on it. So thank you, Stacy. Appreciate it. Because on the registry you can send us gift card if you don't want to purchase what's on the list, really. Okay, this one is coming from Priscilla again. And this is a thermometer, which is super cute, and a baby blanket. And this is the cutest, cuddliest little blanket ever. Look at this blanket. So pretty. I love it. Okay, this box is from oh shoot, do not fall out. Okay. Okay, so I had add 2 diaper bags to the list because I wanted that one that I showed you earlier that looked like the sack, and then I wanted like a normal size one. So this is the other one that I had added, and this one came from Maureen Jordan. Thank you, Maureen. And when I say these diaper bags are so strong, I mean the material wise, this is how this one looks. Super cute and have so much space. It have 2 pockets at the front, one with zipper and one with a terry. It have bottle space at the side, both sides. It have space at the back, or zipper space at the back, and then it have zipper space here. And it came with a changing mats and a diaper case. And it also have a strap on the inside, and on the inside have so many other pockets. So thank you, Maureen. I appreciate my diaper bag. I love it. I think this one shall go to the hospital with me for baby girl. So ta-da! This one comes from this one comes from Trisha, and Trisha says enjoy your gift, and she sent me these cheeky wipe rags that are super cute, and it's a bunch of them in here. Let me tell you how much. 25 rainbow rags in here, and they're very small, so they're like this size to wipe up all those drools and runny nose. So you have blue, yellow, pink, green, and purple, which is super cute. Thank you, Trisha. And Trish also sent us this car seat cover, and this car seat cover is very stylish. It comes in a little bag, which is so cute. And it's also not just a car seat cover, it's a breastfeeding cover. So it's used to cover me when I'm breastfeeding baby girl out in public, and it's used to also cover the car seat. So voila, it's very cute. I love it. There we go. That's what it looks like. Thank you, Trish. Trisha Campbell, to be exact. That's who it came from, Trisha Campbell. Okay, this one comes from this one also comes from Trisha Campbell. This one also came from Trisha Campbell, and Trisha ordered us the video baby monitor that was on the registry. That's what it looks like. So thank you, girl. I appreciate it. You'll be able to see baby D's every move. And this one is from Priscilla, and Priscilla ordered us the baby on board tag that I placed on the registry for the car. Okay, this one is from, okay, this one is from Priscilla again. When I tell you that Priscilla went on a shopping spree, she literally went on a shopping spree. This is a cute little dress for baby girl. So adorable, from Auntie P. There's so much things. Okay, this is from Priscilla. And this is the case for the wipes. Plastic case to put the wipes in. Press and you pull your wipes out from here. Boom. I had the blue to this for Tyler. Okay, this is from this is a gift actually for Tyler from my girl DNL. It says roar means I love you in Dinosaur. So I'm just gonna let this hang around here somewhere until Tyler come and get it. Okay, these growing up, I adore bows and little flowers in my hair, and my mom used to buy them for me, and going to school I used to wear them. So I saw these packaged and I ordered. I had placed it on the registry, and baby girl will have them in every different color, and I think it's 20 something in this pack. This one is coming from Anne-Marie Webley, so thank you, Anne. Thank you, I appreciate this. I love these. She'll be definitely wearing these bows. Hopefully she have here to wear them. All right, this one is coming from Elaine. Honey, help. Oh, this is so heavy. This is coming from Elaine, and this is a pack of wipes that have 12 different packages of small wipes in there. So that's what's going to go in this. So thank you, Elzeboo. This one is oh, this one is huge. This one is coming from Priscilla. It's called a nest pad. So this is what it looks like. It can goes in her crib, and it can just go in the couch or on the floor or wherever, and she just sleep in it to kind of snuggle her a bit. But yeah, there it is from Auntie P. Okay, this one is from Priscilla. Priscilla went shopping, okay? This is the cutest little jacket I've ever seen. So cute, from Priscilla of the Registry. Okay. This is from okay. This is from Priscilla too. It's the car shade to hide the baby from the sun. So you just stick this onto the car and it stays there. And it comes with a cute little case. So yeah. And I had shown you guys this in a previous vlog, but if you, in case you didn't see that, I'm gonna show it to you again. It's some cute little dress, what would you call this? Rompers from Julia. Julia Jones. She sent me 2 of these. So that's the blue one. And that's the pink one, which is super cute. I love these. Oh, I didn't even realize she had a note in there. She says, "Dear Mel, Rudo, Tyler, and baby girl, I hope you like this little gift I have got for you. I hope you like this little gift I've got for your new baby. Just wanted to get you a small useful gift. As a mom to 2 boys, I always like the chance to buy baby girl clothes for a change. I have been watching for quite a while, since Tyler was very young. Aww, and I really enjoy your lovely family. You are so nice, normal, and down to earth. Well, thank you, love. Hope all goes well for the birth. With best wishes, Julia Jones. Thank you, Julia, and I'm gonna keep this letter. Babe, her address is on this, so we can return something. Thank you. Here. Okay, this one is from Uncle Glenn E. McDaniel. Everything in here is from Glenn, and he sent us this book for baby girl. It says the wonderful things you will be. So cute. This is the first time there's ever been you, so I wonder what wonderful things you will do. Oh, this is perfect. This is so perfect. It's a baby book. So thank you, Uncle Glenn, I appreciate it. And he also sent a set of headbands for baby girl, which is super cute with the perfect material too. And he sent them in just about every color. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, here's a bunch of headbands that he sent for baby girl with bows on it. I think it's so cute, adorable. I'm gonna pull one out and show you guys what it looks like. Perfect material, perfect stretchy with bows on the front. So he sent a bunch of these. And she's definitely gonna be wearing some headbands, because growing up I love headbands. I had headband in every color you can think of and every style. Honey, this box is from Yvonne. Yvonne, I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. And she said, enjoy your gift from Yvonne. And it says, Willie V1 on YouTube. May God bless you with a beautiful, healthy baby girl and a quick and easy birth. Enjoy your gift. Thank you so much.
Ting, 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 ting.
You shooting me? Alright, shoot you later. And Yvonne sent me these things off the registry. Okay, this one I didn't have it with Tyler, but I decided I wanted to try it this time around. It's a baby swaddle carrier, that's what you call it. It's like the little cloth that you design on you and put the baby in it. I always want one, and she gave me my first one, so that's amazing. That's it. It comes in this little pouch, and this is the bag. I guess that's what you'd call it. And it folds so neatly in. So that's it. So I have to take it out and learn how to design it before baby girl comes. Okay, give you guys an idea of what it looks like. That's it right there. So I'm gonna learn how to do that, and then yeah, I shall be carrying my girl in here. And Yvonne Williams also sent me these headbands, which was on the registry for baby girl. And these ones are floral headbands in different kind. And this one is not bow. It's not bow that's on the front, but just a little knot. Oh, it's bow. I was wrong. So there you go. It's like this. Voila. So cute. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these. Okay. This one is from Priscilla. And this outfit, I put it on the registry because I think it's one of the cutest things ever. And I can use it for her to do her newborn baby shoot in. So it's just a little, what would you call it? Pull up with ruffles around it and a headband to match it. So that might be her baby shoot outfit. This is from Priscilla again. And this one says, I'm not crying, I'm ordering dinner. I think it's so cute when I added this one to the registry. It's from Patsy Presley and she wanted to order something for Tyler, so I had to add these Big Brother shirts. And it says, I'm the Big Brother. I'm the Big Brother Saurus. You guys know Tyler is obsessed with dinosaurs, so he can wear this shirt after baby girl is born.
Can I see?
What's that?
Dinosaur.
It's for you.
Yeah.
So thank you, Auntie P. Right, and this one is from Dionel.
It's for me too.
Yes, for you with another dinosaur on it. So thank you, Dionel.
Thank you, Diana.
And I think Dionel has sent you something else. Look, Dionel also sent Tyler this dinosaur game. It's a dinosaur puzzle. You want to play with it? So thank you, Dionel.
Thanks, Diana. I want to play with it now.
You can go ahead and play with it now. Go on.
But I want to open it, but I can't open it.
You guys know he loves puzzle. So this dinosaur puzzle allow him to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different dinosaur on it. So he's gonna have to figure out how to do it. Okay? Wait, let me take this off for you so you can have this to see. These are the dinosaurs that you have to do on it. Okay? Okay.
Okay, this is the
Go on the floor. Go take it. Take it. Okay, this package is coming from Priscilla.
Priscilla.
Auntie Priscilla.
Priscilla. Mama.
Yes, Stella. And they are some nice onesie. And that's 1, 2, 3 onesie. That's super cute. And these floral hats, which I super love when I add them to the registry. Let me show you guys how cute these hats are. Look at this. Isn't this so adorable? And she have 3 of these. These are the cutest hats ever. She have the green, the black, and the pink. Man, she's gonna wear these hats because they are so adorable. This is the black one. And this is the pink one. Voila. I love them. Super love them. Maybe because they're girly girl and floral, why I love them so much. These are so cute. And in the same package, I have some thin blankets. So these blankets are like this.
Papa.
That's the size of each one. This one has stars on it. This one is plain white. And then this one. Okay, and So these are some other big onesies that came in the package. This one and this one. And then these are some leggings from the same package in 3 neutral colors: white, black and gray, which I think is super cute. So these are what the leggings look like. So baby girl winter is late, okay? I need to get her some more of these leggings. They're super cute. So there we go. Come honey. This is the breastfeeding pillow from Priscilla, and it comes with the cover off. Well, that's good. At least I'll get to wash it before I put it on. So this is the pattern that I had chose for the cover. It's just some elephants of different colors on it, and this is what the pillow looks like. And this pillow, it can just go right into the machine and wash. So that's something I had really liked about it. Voila, breastfeeding pillow for my girl. This big one is coming from Kenisha, and honestly I wasn't going to add this to the registry, and she asked me if I have one, and I told her no, and she said all right, find one and add it to the registry, and she purchased it. Honey, I need your help.
Yeah.
So baby's gonna help me take this out because it's too heavy. Take it out of the box. So this one came from Kenisha, and it's a pack and play. It's a play pen. There we go. This will come in so handy. So thank you, Kenny. I appreciate this so much. So much. And we can travel with it as much as we want. This one is coming from Shanique Jarrett, though it wasn't on the registry. She wanted to send me a gift on her own, so I was really caught by surprise when I see what was in the box. And this is a diaper bin, which looks super cool. I love it, love it, love it, love it. So thank you, Shanique. And in her package, she also sent this gorgeous chair for baby girl. So yes, I'm in love with these. So thank you, Shanique. Thank you guys, thank you ladies and gentlemen who send us gifts. We appreciate every single one. Every single one baby girl will be using and wearing everything. Love you guys, love you guys, love you guys from the deepest part of my heart. And I'm sure that Tyler, babe, and baby echo the same sentiment. Baby, you wanna come say thank you?
Sure.
You're wondering why I'm doing thank you without you?
I don't know. Yes, guys, thank you from everything you have done. We really appreciate it. We didn't expect
not even one, really.
So yeah, we really appreciate it. Thank you a lot.
Alright you guys, so that's the end of our virtual baby shower. That's the end of our Amazon registry list, and amongst other things that we got that wasn't on the list. So thank you guys, and like I said, more things is left to come. It's just that we were just getting overwhelmed by everything that was in the room, so we had to do the unboxing. But everything that come as of today will be in the vlog, so you have to watch the daily vlog to see all the other things that comes. So thank you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching. We appreciate every single one of you, and give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if it's your first time to the fan bang. We love you guys, and stay tuned for our next video. Say bye guys.
Aww.
It's pretty. Can stand up, look in the camera and say thank you everyone.
Thank you everyone.
For everything for baby sister.
For And for baby sister and Taya.
And Tyler. Very good. Alright, so bye guys.
Bye guys.
Bye guys. You did a good job.
Yeah.